Hello everyone, so here is the solution for question of the day posted on my Facebook, Twitter and Instagram handle. So let us see what is given in this question here and what we have to find out. So here in this question, a circle with center O is given in which two triangles are inscribed in it. And here by observing the figure we can say that OA and OC are the radius of the circle. That means these two will be equal. Now here angle OAB is given as 25 degree and angle OCB is given as 35 degree, right? And we have to find out angle AOC. That means we have to find out this angle. But to find angle AOC, we should know what is angle ABC here. Since angle ABC here it is not given, so we have to find out angle ABC first. So to find angle ABC, let us join O and B. By joining these 2 points, we observe that OB becomes the radius. So that means OA, OC and OB will be equal. So let us write down OA is equals to OB equals to OC. And also here it is given as angle OAB is 25 degree and angle OCB is given as 35 degree. To find angle ABC, let us consider these two triangles, triangle 1 and triangle 2. Triangle 1 is OAB and triangle 2 is OCB. So let us consider triangle OAB. In this triangle, OA is equals to OB, right? And we know that angle opposite to equal sides are equal. That means angle OAB will be equals to angle OBA. So angle OAB is equals to angle OBA, which is equals to 25 degree. Let us mark this as 1. So we get this angle as 25 degree. And now let us consider triangle OCB. In triangle OCB, OC is equals to OB. Now we know that angle opposite to equal sides are equal. That means angle OCB will be equals to angle OBC. So angle OCB equals to angle OBC, which is equals to 35 degree. Let us mark this as 2. So we get this angle as 35 degree. And from 1 and 2, we can find the angle ABC by adding these two angles. So angle ABC is the sum of angle OBA plus angle OBC, which is equals to 25 degree plus 35 degree. So sum of these two is 60 degree. So we get angle ABC as 60 degree. Now we get this angle, this whole angle as 60 degree. So now we can easily find out angle AOC. So angle AOC is twice of angle ABC. Since we know that angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended by the same arc on the circumference. So that means angle AOC is equals to 2 times of angle ABC. So now let us put the value of angle ABC here, which is 60 degrees. So we get this as 120 degrees. So we get angle AOC is equals to 120 degrees. So here option D is the correct answer. So I hope you've enjoyed the question of the day. We post such interesting question on our social media platform every day. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. You can find the link for the same in the description box. Also for solutions, you can subscribe our YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Till then, keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.